this is the second episode that you guys are watching now. If you haven't watched my previous episodes, so do watch them in the card that's coming above there, top right. So we have to decide how many is now going to the viewpoints now. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು. So these guys are heading back to the room. Okay, finally its head count is reduced to 6 now. 4 people left to the room without watching the viewpoints. So yeah, you get a right, take a right from the Cholur viewpoint, and this is all the viewpoints that you will be seeing now. These guys are also watching all those, and they are also on the way itself. So we will spend few time to take some photos and videos, and that's it. It's the only change that we are doing there. Okay, and coming on to the next place is called as, might be the spelling there might be a mistake. It's I see in the map, and it's called something like Dunsandle Tea Factory Road, right? So this it's coming now, it's 3 kilometers is the same. This is, see guys, this what you see is the tea factory road. Okay, and be careful. viewpoint is Ooty Hidden Viewpoint, and it starts from here. So